Right now, there's a gold rush happening on YouTube, and 90% of business owners are completely missing it. Let me be brutally honest with you. If your business doesn't have a YouTube channel in 2025, you're losing money to the competitors who do. I know that sounds dramatic, but hear me out. In the last 7 months alone, I have seen our clients generate over $800,000 in sales pipeline and 30+ million views on YouTube, while their competitors are burning money on Facebook ads that barely work anymore. Look, this isn't some marketing trend that will disappear next year. This is how smart businesses are finding new clients right now. And just like any gold rush, the people who get in early are the ones who actually make money. The people who wait, they'll be paying 10x more just to compete from a year now, if they can even break in at all. I went from knowing nothing about YouTube to helping our clients make millions in just 18 months. Not through some secret hack, but by figuring out what actually works and doing it over and over again. Give me 10 minutes and I'll show you 5 reasons why starting a YouTube channel now is probably the best thing you could do to your business this year. Here's what most business owners get wrong about YouTube. They think it's just another social platform where you need to go viral, chase followers. But to be honest, that's just completely backwards. YouTube is a search engine, the second biggest one in the world. When someone searches for a solution on YouTube, they're actively looking for help. They want to buy something. They are not mindlessly scrolling like on Instagram or TikTok. Take our client Virtual Baker in the crypto space. Within 90 days of implementing our YouTube strategy, specifically targeting high intent search terms, his channel generated 2.4 million views and 40,000 monthly recurring revenue. Now, this wasn't luck. We positioned him exactly where his ideal clients are already searching for solutions. And here's why this matters more than ever. With all the privacy changes happening in 2025, paid ads are getting less accurate. Instead of interrupting people who don't care, you're getting found by the people who are actively looking for what you offer. But what's even better than getting new clients is how long this keeps working for you. Here's a reality check on content in 2025. Most content dies fast. Instagram posts last maybe 24 to 48 hours. LinkedIn gives you 2 to 3 days if you're lucky. Twitter, good luck getting seen after an hour. But YouTube, your videos work for you for years to come. One of our clients has a video from 2 years ago, but it still brings 3 to 5 leads every single week. That's over 500 potential customers from one single piece of long form video. Now this creates what I call a compound effect. Each video you make adds to this automatic client getting system. It's like compound interest for your marketing. Every video you create makes all your previous videos more powerful, and the whole system just keeps growing. Think about it. Would you rather create content that disappears tomorrow, or rather build assets that keep delivering new clients for years? Now you must be thinking, what about the paid ads? Aren't they the fastest way to get new clients? Well, if you're still betting on paid ads, you're about to get hit with some real bad news. First, ad costs have absolutely exploded. The cost to reach 1,000 potential customers, what we call CPMs, has increased by 40% just in last year. What used to cost you $40 to $50 to get a new customer now cost $120 or $150 or even more, and it's just getting ridiculous. Second, people are just ignoring ads now. Ad fatigue is real. Everyone is tired of being sold to constantly, so fewer people are clicking even when they do see your ad. Third, with all the privacy changes, your targeting is basically broken. You're paying to reach people who aren't in your target market half the time. Here's what this actually means for your business. The cost of acquiring new customers has increased 150 to 200% in just 1 year across most industries. At that rate, finding new customers becomes just completely unsustainable for most business models. Now, this is where YouTube gives you the most advantage. Instead of throwing money on paid ads that barely work, you're using the same money to build videos that keep working for you for years. Your cost per customer doesn't go up over the time. It actually goes down as more videos start ranking and bringing in more leads. We have consistently seen our clients' cost per client acquisition drop by 60 to 70% as they move away from paid ad to YouTube strategy. And let me tell you, these aren't worse leads. They are actually high quality, pre-educated, who are way more likely to buy from you. In 2025, this trend is only getting worse for paid ads and better for organic content. The businesses that grow will be the ones who own their audience instead of renting it from Facebook. Now, I know this might sound overwhelming, like where do we even start with all of this? That's exactly why we built our done for you YouTube system that handles all the strategy, editing, optimization, so you just focus on recording. But let me give you 2 other reasons why this is so critical. You know, anyone can say they are expert in 2025, but how do you actually prove it to potential clients? YouTube lets you demonstrate your expertise and not just claim it. When someone watches your videos, they're spending 10-20 minutes with you, learning from you, building trust in your knowledge. This creates what we call the trust effect. By the time someone books a call with you after watching your YouTube content, they're already already 70 to 80% convinced of your expertise and ready to work with you. Our client Christian is a perfect example. He added 200 new clients and saw his sales call success rate jump from 20% to 65% after implementing a YouTube strategy. His prospects were coming to calls already educated about his service and convinced that he knew what he was talking about. In a crowded market where everyone claims to be the best, YouTube gives you a platform to actually prove it. And if all this isn't enough to convince you, here's the final reason that should make every business owner take this seriously. Your smartest competitors are already making this move. Here's the thing that should actually scare you. We analyzed 10 different B2B industries, and in 8 of them, at least one of the top 3 had significant YouTube presence. If you're not on YouTube in 2025, you're not just missing on opportunities, you're actively falling behind while the competitors create authority, generate leads, and create content assets that work for years, while you're still dependent on increasingly expensive ads. The good news, it's not too late though, but the first mover's advantage is real and it's shrinking every day you delay. Look, YouTube isn't about getting followers or going viral. It's about building predictable system that brings you qualified prospects who already trust you before they even speak to you. Now, thanks for watching. Hope that convinced you to start your YouTube journey this year. If you want help with building a YouTube sales system that brings in 10-25 qualified calls every month guaranteed, then click the first link in the description below and book a call with me. And go check out this video where I tell you how you can start your YouTube journey by just investing 2 hours per week.